everybody, and welcome to another Discovery Center Playful Learning at Home video. My name is Chase Fisher, and I'm here with my friend Maggie. We decided that for 4th of July, we wanted to make some big, huge explosions, some awesome fireworks. We thought that would be really cool. So I have a bunch of chemicals on my table, and me and Maggie are gonna do some experiments and see how much cool stuff we can make. So I have here a little glass bowl. This glass bowl is full of a chemical called methanol. Methanol is an alcohol, and alcohols burn. This one burns blue. So I got my lighter here. We'll see. If you guys can see that, it's burning blue. Look at that. It's fire, right? And it's a color, it's blue. Is that I don't know if it's a firework though, is it? Yeah, I feel like I can do better than this. We need something flashier. All right, I've got a new chemical here. This chemical is called magnesium, and magnesium burns extremely brightly. That's why I have these sunglasses on. All right, let's see how it goes. 3, 2, 1. Look how bright that is. Check that out. Well, guys, that was really cool, right? It still wasn't a firework, though. I feel like we're missing something. Maggie, do you have any ideas?
Hey, Mr. Chase, I know exactly what you're forgetting. Fireworks are all about the boom. So what I have here is a balloon, not a regular party balloon. This one's filled with hydrogen gas. And what's special about hydrogen is that it's easily excitable, which means it likes to go boom. Are you ready? I'm gonna light my candle here. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, Mr. Chase, what do you think of that?
Oh, wow. Maggie, that was loud. It was really cool, but a little bit scary, actually. I don't know if I'm all about that life, Maggie. So let's try something new. I've got another type of fireball we can make. This one's not quite so loud, but it's got a big whoosh to it. Maybe that's what we're missing. Fireworks need a big whoosh. So here we go. Watch this. This stuff is called lycopodium. When it's in this bottle, it doesn't burn. But if I puff some out into the air, then it does burn. Watch this. Let's do another one. Whoa! Let's do another one! That was great. It was great. It's not what I wanted, guys. What are we missing? It's the colors. Fireworks have colors. Okay. I've got some chemicals here on the table, and these chemicals are the ones that they put inside of fireworks. So we've got blue. Well, blue, and blue, and blue. Oh, they're starting to change. This one's red. You see, I put some methanol in these. And what color did methanol burn? Blue, that's right. And as that starts to burn away, we see colors. There's a green one coming. We've got red fire, we've got green fire. What other fire do we have? This one's starting to turn yellow over here. How about that? We've got yellow fire, we've got blue fire, we've got green fire, we've got red fire. This one's starting to turn purple too. Guys, this is fireworks, right? All those different cool colors going on, right? Maggie, we need a boom.
All right, Mr. Chase, I have to admit, those colors were really cool. So I may have stolen your idea and hid something in my balloons. Because our fireworks, you're right, we have the colors and the boom. Are you ready? All right. 3, 2, 1. Should we try it again? 3, 2, 1. All right, Mr. Chase, what do you think?
Whoa, Maggie, you were right. We needed the boom. It was scary, but it was pretty cool. Well, everybody, thank you for joining us for our special 4th of July Playful Learning at Home special. We hope to see you again soon. Have a happy 4th of July. Stay safe, everybody.
Subscribe for more daily science, crafts, and activities, or visit the Discovery Center Museum Playful Learning at Home webpage for more information.